man with great vision who has excelled in his field with his high intelligence. He is a true technocrat and has proved himself in all the dynamic, exemplary and unique personality. We are truly privileged to have him with us today. Welcome to our school, sir. I also welcome Madam Savita Kumar, wife of Mr. Ashwin Kumar, ED Work, SAIL RSP, our principal, sir, Mr. Siddharth Rath, and our headmistress, ma'am, Mr. P.K. Amatya, Pro Vice Chairman, Delhi Public School, and CRPF CEO, Mr. Himanshu Kumar, and Mrs. Rashmi Kumar. Thank Your attention please. Dear passengers, you are welcome to board in DTS flight number 2015. Please be seated and fasten your seat. In a short while from now. While you all are on a journey to your destination, the crew members to take you on board and make this evening's journey a spectacular one. Let me introduce them to you. Captain Swansingh Pradhan, Captain Astha Bastia, Captain Mayank Sharma, Captain Yuktika Gupta, and Captain Sparsha Bhuya. These buddies will take us into a land of joy and happiness. So please sit back, relax, and take back home sweet memories. The theme of the program is Live every moment, love beyond words, and laugh every day. I now hand over the stage to the crew members. Thank you.
वक्रतुण्डं महाकायं सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Lord Ganesha, whose Vakratunda and Mahakaya shines like a minion of Suryakoti, has showered his blessings.
Not as I dream. It is the craziness that is right.
It is the creation of life. It is the festival of life. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The galaxy of intellectuals, invited guests, teachers, and my dear friends. How different
The rest of the cultural feast unfolds.
I, Astha
And I, Swansingh Pradhan,
on behalf of Principal Sir, teachers and students, welcome you all to our Class 6 cultural program.
we feel honored to have with us our chief guest, His Excellency Mr. Ashwin Kumar, ED Work, SAIL RSP, and his wife, Madam Savita Kumar.
Sir, you hardly require any introduction. You have made all of us proud by your distinguished work in numerous capacities.
Now we will have our traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony and the tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge.
May all human beings live in harmony with nature and other forms of life. May the truth prevail. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away by the dawn of self-realization.
Now we request our honorable chief guest, Mr. Ashwin Kumar, ED Works, Madam Savita Kumar, our principal sir, Mr. Siddharth Rath, and our headmistress ma'am, Madam Girija Nandini ma'am, to kindly light up the lamp.
I, Commandant Officer Mr. Himanshu Kumar is also requested to join them along with his wife.
सुभद्रा मध्यस्थ सकल सुर जगन्नाथ स्वामी.
Bouquets and badges to our dignitaries.
Correct. It's a song. So let's welcome our classic singers with a melodious song.
स्वयं सतपति, राज प्रियदर्शनी नायक, स्पर्शा भूया, नित्यश्री निकुंज, उमाकांत बेहरा, आनंद बेहरा,
of footsteps, a blend of cosmic tune and divine music.
I would now request the most honorable personality of tonight, our beloved Principal Sir, Mr. Siddharth Rath, to step upon the floor and address the lovely gathering. Sir, please.
Esteemed Chief Guest of today's evening, ED RSP Mr. Aswini Kumar, Mrs. Savita Kumar, our Pro Vice Chairman, Mr. P.K. Amatya, Commandant CF, Mrs. and Mr. Himanshu Kumar, Headmistress and Mrs. Misra, parents, grandparents, ladies and gentlemen. It's a big honor to all of us today because amongst us is present our chief guest, Sri Aswin Kumar, who in spite of his busy schedule could give some time to grace this occasion. And among us is present our beloved Pro Vice Chairman, Mr. Amatya sir. I, on behalf of Delhi Public School, Rourkela, welcome them from the core of my heart. I also welcome all of you parents who are present here to witness the program. Earlier, we used to have the annual function outside maybe for about 3 days. This time, I approached our Pro Vice Chairman, sir, many students are not getting opportunity to show their talent, and the children are getting disheartened because they are not getting opportunity, and equally the parents. And I want to continue the program for about a fortnight, and we will be conducting the annual function class-wise. So immediately he agreed. And that is how we could do this for about a fortnight. One thing he asked, whether the teachers will get tired or not. I told, yes, no, our teachers are dedicated and devoted, and they have the energy to do that. And that is how, from this year, we have started this Winter Frolic 2015. And the thing is, why should we do all these things? Every school is teaching mathematics, English, say social science, languages, other languages. But that is one part of education. And other parts we are neglecting. In DPS we are providing this, and because we are providing the other parts of education, probably we are number one for this region. As parents, you have to be also equally cautious for certain things. Sometimes we give an unnecessary, importance for the texts. What for the child learns? First he learns ABCD, and then he writes some words, then an essay. But if whatever is taught in the school, the same thing he will do at home, the teacher will ask for a certain answer, the child goes home, the parent also asks what you have done and will ask a similar answer, then the child will not have his creativity. But if he learns something and creates something different, if he learns 2-3 essays, and then if he writes, if he sees to the clouds and he writes some lines, a few lines about cloud, about school, if he can write a letter to whatever person he wants, then that is creativity. And if he is not able to do that, then whatever he learns, it is useless. again, you have to, from failures, the child should learn. If if a child fails, he can go to depression. He can also be doubly active, so that from failure he learns. George Bernard Shaw, he used to write, nobody was publishing. Dickens, he used to write, nobody was publishing. But later on they became great novelists and great writers, because they did not give up. And those qualities the children are to be taught. The child should establish a perfect harmony from what the God has given. God has given sense organs, whether we are able to use to the optimum utilization of the resources that God has given us. If we can do that, God has given us hand, God has given us legs, God has given us eyes, but sometimes we do not, we fail to utilize them properly. We teach that in the school. Because when he speaks, he should speak with confidence. When some obstacle comes, he should overcome that obstacle with confidence. He should have, supposing somebody insults, he should have that capacity to bear it. If we do not teach all these qualities, then it is not real learning. And here, when the children perform on the stage, they maintain a very good equilibrium between their head, heart and hand. They become free. They overcome shyness. And once you overcome shyness and you become confident, then you can do everything, whatever you want in life. Otherwise, it is not possible. We have to have patience as parent, as teacher, as elders. And here the child is spending his precious, about say 14 years, at the age of three and a half, the child takes admission here, and he remains here till he is 17 or 18. And this is a big, long span of his learning period. And then he, spends about 4 to 5 years either in engineering college or medical college. But the basic foundation is set here. And whatever foundation is laid here, he will come up accordingly. The China bamboo, a strange seed you can say, that seed remains in the ground for about 5 years. And then we, farmers take care of that for 5 years. After it takes 5 years till the sprout comes up. And once the sapling comes up, then it takes only 6 weeks to grow 90 feet. So that is how the bamboo seed lays its foundation. And the experts say that these 5 years, it develops the elaborate root system that can support the bamboo tree to go up to 90 feet in 6 weeks. So that is how we have to lay the foundation of the child here in the school, properly, with proper patience, a proper value system, with a proper positive attitude. Then the child, the next 4 years, he can be a very good citizen of the country and of whom you will be proud of. Otherwise, the same child will revolt. Here, when we are teaching the child some kind of education, then we have to change. We cannot just say that, yes, you do this, you do that. Then the child is not going to listen. Child will listen only what we are doing. So if after the child comes home, you see, supposing 10 sums are given, the child made mistakes in 2, and you point out that means you are teaching how to point out mistakes. Say that, you see, I am proud that out of 8 problems you have solved 10 problems correct. If you find fault with him, he will find equally fault with you later on. Initially the child is not going to revolt, but later on when he becomes powerful, when he comes to the age of 12 or 13, he will definitely reply back to you. And that is natural because you have taught him. Supposing wife and husband are fighting, that the child will learn because you have taught that. Supposing when you become angry, you teach anger to the child. So you see, these 14, 15 years, what the child spends, we as teacher and you as parent, both will have to be very, very careful. The child stays here in the school for about, say, 5 to 6 hours, but at home he spends the remaining hours. And if we all, if we work together as a team, as a family, as a DPS fraternity, it's not that, the teachers and students form DPS school. And the school is growing because you are with us. And, if teacher, parent, and, the students all work together, we can create wonder. And we have a very good supporting management. Our board of governors have a, vision with a great amount of broadness. And that is how the things are coming up. Even every time our provision asks about the development, normally he does not come to the school, but he always keeps on asking me, what are the developments that are taking place and all that. Such a supportive management, it is rare to see. And that is how the things are, coming up during, our provision period. Maximum development, whatever has come up during the last 3-4 years. And he is my provision, and I'm proud of him. So, but I want to see the day when, somebody was asking me, you are not satisfied so much of growth has taken place one parent? No, I told no. I'll be happy on that day when we'll have a, big auditorium having a capacity of 5,000 and, the day when a helicopter will come and land here, and from here, if the children will go to, Delhi, from there, if they can go to London or, US, and then if we can make the school international, that day I'll be happy. We can do this. Every potential is there with us. But the thing is, we have to work, and, we have to have that confidence in us, yes, that things are possible. Things are possible if we work hard. But what I wish is, all of you should come up. Now, you should not feel that it is the duty of the teachers, parents, teachers, management, student. If all of us will work together, we can achieve what we are thinking that it is not achievable. And I'm sure by the time your students pass +2, it is your commitment that your children will be well placed, and you will feel proud that you are the parent of DPS. At the end, I once again welcome all our guests, particularly our chief guest and our Pro Vice Chairman, all parents, for coming over here to shower your blessings on our children. Thank you.
Silently bring colors and make our school as well as our parents proud.
शुभ संध्या मु स्पर्शा भैया आज वार्षिक सांस्कृतिक उत्सव आपण मानकु हार्दिक अभिनंदन जनाउछि। कलार गंता घर आम उत्कलर संस्कृति और परंपरा अति प्राचीन। एही संस्कृति और परंपरा को बजाय रखी उत्कल सारा विश्व में प्रसिद्धि लाभ करिछि। ओडिसी नृत्य एक प्राचीन शास्त्रीय नृत्य भावे परिचित, जहाँकि देवदासी माने आम आराध्य देवता श्री जगन्नाथ निकट में प्रदर्शन करुथिले। एही नृत्यर ताले ताले ओडिशार संस्कृति स्पष्ट भावे परिलक्षित होइथाय, जहाँकि प्रत्येक ओडिया प्राण रे सिंहरण सृष्टि करिथाय। वर्तमान एही नृत्यर किछि अंगभंगी प्रदर्शन करिबा पई मंच पर को आसीबे आमरी षष्ठ श्रेणीर छात्री समूह।
जगन्नाथ जगतर नाथ मो स्रष्टा मो सृष्टि मो ही विलय मो ही धारण करिथि मीन रूप मो कच्छप बराह नरसिंह बामन परशुराम राम बलराम एवं बुद्ध मु ही सृष्टि करिथि कुरुक्षेत्र रे महाभारत मु केवल मु आ मु ही आसुछि कल्कि रूपरे।
अच्छा युक्तिका, तुम बड़े होकर क्या बनना चाहती हो? डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, फैशन डिजाइनर या और कुछ?
डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, फैशन डिजाइनर? नहीं नहीं, ये सब नहीं। मैं तो बड़ी होकर सिर्फ एक आम इंसान बनना चाहती हूँ।
फिर भी तुम्हारे कुछ तो सपने होंगे।
सपने? हाँ, सपने तो हैं। सपने वो नहीं होते जो आप सोने के बाद देखते हैं, बल्कि सपने तो वो होते हैं जो आपको सोने ही नहीं देते।
ये बात कुछ सुनी हुई सी लगती है। अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूँ तो ये हमारे देश के पूर्व राष्ट्रपति और मिसाइल मैन के नाम से प्रसिद्ध डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम जी के हैं।
बिल्कुल सही। मुझे तो लगा नहीं था, पर तुम तो सचमुच बहुत टैलेंटेड हो।
वो तो मैं हूँ ही। मैं मयंक शर्मा
और मैं युक्तिका गुप्ता
आप सबों का दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल में हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं। मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी एक दिन, इसी हौसले से चलने का इरादा किया है। ना हारे हैं, ना हारेंगे कभी, किसी और से नहीं, खुद से ये वादा किया है।
तो आइए हम सब एक ऐसा नृत्य गीत का आनंद लेते हैं जिसे छठी कक्षा के विद्यार्थियों के द्वारा प्रस्तुत किया जा रहा है।
देखो इन्हें, ये है ओस की बूंदें, पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे। अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर। खो न जाए तारे ज़मीं पर, ये तो है सर्दी में धूप की किरणें, उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा करने। मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे, ठिठुरती हथेली की रंगत बदल दे। खो न जाए तारे ज़मीं पर। और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई, जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी, जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी, जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई। ये तो आशा की लहर है, ये तो उम्मीद की सहर है, खुशियों की महक खो न जाएंगे तारे ज़मीं पर।
मैं सही कह रहा हूँ ना?
सचमुच मानो ऐसा लगा श्री अब्दुल कलाम जी आज भी हमारे बीच मौजूद हैं।
अच्छा युक्तिका, इसके बाद क्या है?
क्या होना चाहिए? कुछ को ज़मीं पसंद है तो कुछ को आसमां, कुछ को हरियाली पसंद है तो कुछ को संगीत की लहरें।
संगीत? संगीत यानी?
अरे संगीत जो हर दर्द की दवा है, अब हम उसका आनंद लेने जा रहे हैं।
request our dearest Sangeeta ma'am to announce the names of the prize winners.
Is English debate. A debate is a formal discussion on a given topic. It takes the ability of the speaker to argue his or her case forcefully. The winners are Lisa Mishra,
We request our parents to keep on applauding.
Bibu Viseshwar Das,
Parents, please encourage them. They are the winners. They have strived hard for success.
Aman Behra, Sohan Kumar Patnaik, Shivashish Panda, coming up next is face painting and the winners are Ritika Acharya,
Parents, please keep on clapping.
Jatin Jena, Ronit Kumar Behra, Yuktika Gupta, Pushkar Shah, Pushkar Shah, now let us welcome the winners of collage making. They are Sampark Jena, Swam Satpati, Sri Garg, Anjali Chaurasia, Aman Behra, in file decoration category, the winners are Sambit Kumar Panda, Karanjit Mahanta, Mayank Sharma, the prize for patriotic solo song goes to Bibu Viseshwar Das. And the prize for patriotic solo dance goes to Rishita Sutar. Next category is folk dance and here are the winners. Amrita Patnaik, Muskan Mahanta, Pragya P. Singh, Pratiksha Seth,
Please keep applauding, parents.
Shreya Palay, Shraddha Subarakshi, Monalisha Bagh. Coming up next is poster making competition, and the winners in this category are Lisa Mishra, Sambit Kumar Panda, Yuktika Gupta, Sneha Suhashini, and Kashmira Priyadarshini Naik. Now let us welcome the winners of radio jockey. They are Srishti Agarwal, Nishan Banerjee, Mayank Sharma, Krishnika Birop, and Siddhant Behera. In English news reading, the winners is Bibhu Visheshwar Das. Next we have maths activity, and the winners are Sneha Suhashini, Kashish Sehgal, Binima Hemram, Somesh Swain, Aman Behra, Kashmira Priyadarshini, Anjali Chaurasia, Kadambini Shahu, Swati Maheshwari, and Srishti Agarwal. Let's welcome the winners of science activity. They are Mayank Sharma, Swapnil Khadanga,
Parents, your children need your encouragement. Please keep on clapping.
Devesh Kumar Behera, Sneha Suhashini, Umakant Behera, Kashish Sehgal, Swati Maheshwari, Astha Bastia, and Ronit Kumar Behera. Next category is social science activity, and the winners are Aditya Prasad Jaina, Satyam Singh, Binima Hembram, Sirin Tiwari, Sadishni Hemasri, Sparsha Bhuiya, Tilak Sovan Kalu, Mayank Sharma, wow Mayank, Harshit Ray, and Sneha Suhasini. Thank you, ma'am. Now it's over to Shivani, ma'am.
Mr. Ashwin Kumar, ED Work Sale RSP, to kindly come up on the stage. I also request our principal, sir, Mr. Siddharth Rath, to accompany him. Sir, please. Coming up to the next category, the winners of the computer activity are Astha Bastia, Srishti Verma, Kadimbini Sahu, Swati Maheshwari, Kashish Sehgal, Shirin Tiwari, Mayank Sharma, and Sneha Suhasini. Somesh Swai, our next category is Sanskrit activity, and the winners are Aman Behra, Shri Garg, Pushkar Shah, Muskan Mahanta, Shushrut Panda, Mona Lisa Bagh, Pragya Parimita Singh, Aditya Narayan Padi, and Kashmira P. Nayak. Please welcome on stage the winners of Odia activity. They are Kadimbini Sahu, Astha Bastia, Shobhan Kumar Sethi, Amrita Patnaik, and Tilak Sohan Kalu. next category, which is English activity. The winners are Lisa Mishra, the winners of Hindi activity are Kashish Sehgal, Shirin Tiwari, Satyam Singh and Sneha Suhasini. Thank you, sir. Now I request Amatya sir to kindly join us on the stage.